Hey everyone! In this BolehVPN review, I'm sharing my hands-on experience. This VPN caters to both casual browsers and power users needing secure internet access. Find product links below. Let's see what BolehVPN offers and how it performs. BolehVPN prioritizes privacy, security, and ease of use. It boasts AES 256 encryption, OpenVPN, L2TP, IPsec, IKEv2 protocols, and a strict no-logs policy. It excels at bypassing censorship and geo-restrictions, unlocking global content. Performance-wise, BolehVPN delivers consistent speeds with minimal drops, although this varies by server location. I tested several servers, finding optimal speeds on those closest to me. The user interface is clean and intuitive, with apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Setup was quick and easy, thanks to clear instructions. BolehVPN offers 24/7 live chat support. The team was responsive and helpful, and the knowledge base is comprehensive. Overall, BolehVPN is a solid VPN choice for reliable performance, robust security, and user-friendliness. Whether you're casually browsing or need to access geo-blocked content, BolehVPN delivers. It offers great value, strong privacy, and excellent performance. Interested? Check the links below for more details.